All right, good morning, everyone. We have right now, as I'm doing the video right now, we have about 20 minutes before pre-market opens, and I'm very excited because this is a very unique video, very unique one. Now, if you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you very much for joining us here. I try to come up with videos in the mornings to give some heads up on things, and usually always in the mornings because it's so early and so on. I do not have the camera turned on, but later in the evening when I have a video guaranteed in the evening, for great analysis on some great buying stocks that I believe are great and so on, then the camera is turned on, you can see me. All right, so with that being said, we got that out of the way. American Rebel Holdings Incorporation, guys. Very interesting. I like this. This is very interesting. I'm not saying it's a buy yet. You'll have to watch till the end of the video because my opinion might be much different than what you think. All right, so American Rebel Holdings Corporation, 17 cents. The past 1 month it's going up. Do I believe that this is a great company? Pumpers are going to hate me. They're going to hate me, but we have to speak the truth in this channel. You know, when you see this, when you see a stock has a gazillion, and this is just a small sample, a gazillion the past 24 hours, Twitter accounts with, beautiful ladies talking about this stock, always the same exact wording, AREB, top analysis, price target, and all this stuff, and all these things. Well, you know that most likely, guaranteed, this is a pump stock, and it is getting pumped big time. So, what happens with pump stocks? They always end up bad, and they always take down some people with them. Usually, the people who are new to trading and so on. So you got to be very careful with this one. Can it make money? Yeah, it could. Obviously, the past 1 month it's gone up. But like I said, this is going to end bad in my opinion. I have something else though I'll tell you at the end of the video. American Rebel sees its gun safe and concealed carry backpack sales soar as Americans load up on guns and ammo. We're shipping safers to our dealers as fast as we can make them, said the CEO. This was way back in 2022, I believe, this news, or 2021. But there's a reason why I put that. American Rebel Holdings Corporation GAAP EPS of negative 36 cents misses by 34 cents. Revenue of 4.1 million misses by 1.4 million. This was November 15, 2022. And ever since then, really not much has changed. But the revenue side has changed, right? And people on Twitter are saying, oh, the revenue has grown so much that this has to be a stock that's got to be worth $5-10. Whoa, hold on. It's not all about the revenue. What about liabilities? What about a whole bunch of other things? Debt, gross margin, net income. There's a lot of things you have to look at. It's not just about revenue. But revenue did grow, though, to be honest. From March 31, 2022, $154,000. And for the first 3 months ended March 31, 2023, $4.4 million. So that is big. The gross margin from $57,000 to $1.6 million. And if we look at the revenue on this stock, because when you go to a doctor's visit to be checked out, what does the doctor do? Takes first, checks the vital signs and a lot of other things. So that's what we're going to look at right now. These are basic things that people should look at when they're doing a review of a stock, whether they should buy it or not. Now if it's a pump stock or you're day trading, then you don't care about these things. But I think that you should look at them, because it can't tell you sometimes a lot of things about where this pump stock can end, right? Revenue on this stock went from 0 in 2015 to $8.4 million in 2022, which is very interesting because this revenue has exploded over 756% in 2022, which is a good thing, right? Gross profit is improving a lot also. Operating income is getting worse. Operating income, as you can see here, is getting worse by the year. If we look at the total assets, it's at 16.5 million, which is basically if they sold anything and everything they have, it would be worth 16 million bucks. The total liabilities are $5.2 million. So that's everything that they owe within the next, I believe, 12 months, if I remember right. So far, it's uneven, very uneven. Some positives, really good positives in the financial side, and then some other things that aren't so great. If we look at the net income, though, it's getting worse. I don't like that, right? I don't like that. The net income, I don't want it to get worse. I want it to get better, but it's getting worse. It's a negative 7.14. So the operating cash flow is getting massively worse also. Investing cash flow, So as you can see here, here's the operating cash flow, net income. These are critical things. And when you see this, you can tell the company financially isn't doing well. And when on Twitter they say the revenue has exploded 756, 800%, this is everybody load up. No, it's not exactly load up. But with that being said, one analyst only has given $1.50 for within the next 12 months. Now, my opinion, let's get to the conclusion of this whole thing. American Rebel Holdings Corporation, is this a buy for me? Guys, my opinion is this. This is a pump and dump that's going to end up doing a reverse stock split, unless, surprisingly, the pump is so strong that it takes it over $1. Within the very short-term period, I think that this stock will continue to go higher. I believe that if someone is experienced and knows how to do day trades, and they can definitely make money off of this, but I think that it is a very dangerous play. I am obligated to say, according to SEC rules and so on, that people should stay away from pump and dumps, from day trading, and it's very dangerous. So you have to know these things. Those are risks that I'm obligated to say. What would I do personally speaking with American Rebel Holdings? I don't know. I might day trade it. I might, because if there's a lot of volume and pre-market the Nasdaq level 2 is on fire, I might get in. Why not? But I definitely believe this is going to end up bad in the end. And if people don't know how to exit, they're going to get hurt from this stock. This is my opinion.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the Nasdaq and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.